Mani bondo maklay nay. We want that. Prani history no hana pina clay mani bondo maklay nay. We want to place the hotel mani bondo maklay nay. Bubagra long live. No justice, no rest. No rest, no rest. We want justice. Justice, justice.
Chini buku no tahu deh. Coba cole nai. Bubagra long live, long live, long.
No, sekamana nay mani bondo maklay nay.
The Moidan, Abo Agi Astable Tomani Hesi. Abano Karibo, Sini, the Nuyumba, Raspberry, the Kajamani, Arabani Museum, Samzaka Sing, Abununya Piracy, every jot of Sorgani, 10 years or not. Our my Sing Tabu, YTF, Missing Taste, Sing Tabu, Memorandum of Tangitonga, Tabuni Simi, YTF, just Tongsa, am a historical place, not demolished Kamiatika, Santino Omo, Memorandum of Tangitonga. Tamninba, Sini, Oro, Abani Itihas, Tirpa, Belano, rich culture Hachi. Rajas, Maharajas, Maharanis only. Oh ha, Oma Antozi Mahake, Demolis Kaja Kankai, Sing Tong Kosong Tongai, Sini Bukum Bara, especially. Like Joto, all the province of the pride Kai Tongman and Bagay. Yabono discrimination Kayawe, Yabono Zakaya Gawe, Yaboni Kaisakas, no Sing Tolakila, we don't know Bagay, and Zoton Koyo, you know, median this country. Aumbayang Koine, Zara, Gavama, the Prasan, Toti Cox Haton of Tini Gavama Kamaza Kasi. All my historical monuments, they prove Savajaki Tonga, Sokomorza, Tonga, Cox and Kuri. Here, Sung, Abono, Tini, Proof Kane, YTF, Obono Proof Kayuse, Japropano, Sung Buskango, Siklaro, Bubagrani, Bisinte, Sinti Prasani Coxao, Sunti Prasani, rights, Janona, Amno, Sung Kulvi, Canon by Sintini, YTF, Bisinte, Sintino,
Now, not but
I'm High Melodang Sanai, I'm Hazard, Tomono, Emelafan, Sintohankai, Concern Minister, Dabankabo. Bozulin tourism minister ka bori play return tam ne bagai sob samay lupa bas kanga phai jebel bebang nugzak sidang nei saksang na asa proof khana ni musumba Bubagra sa sini boki naki bosini tipramot spokesperson diba Bubagra sa sini all in all sini tipramot hoba ke leader kare one and only Bubagra hai sini Maharaja Pradul Bikram Kishan Mani ko bini leadership sing joton kache ki moisi abon bising tai kare ke sing leader kare tomuno sini tipramot hoba spokesperson samjaya ko bono bonga hankai bori play return botam play na dorka ba sing tini oro Sengoro indicate Kayo to the Chief Minister and to the Tourism Minister. Baru reply return. Baru reply na bagi. Being a name lang hayamil kabang matongle. Sinita Chief Ramot Tango. Baru runay baru tangi dia ba nang tangi dia ba somsong bes tango pay lugna ni social media bo nini footage punugoy nini ze mo khungani abo runa kisa bondo khage jaw. Sengta nu bai fight kon abo no main focus kane bai ang koyo ai Chief Ramot some from the news from which came from the social media itself, that Kozovanta Palace is going to demolish and the government of Tripura has trying to give to Taj group of industries for Taj Hotel. See, for this reason we oppose. We on behalf of YTF we oppose such act which is being taken by the government of Tripura. We don't oppose Taj to be created in somewhere places. We have many lands in Tripura, like we have created Hotel Polo Towers, we have many lands. Why does the government of Tripura give a land to create a hotel, 5-star hotel? It's good for us actually. But instead of that, why do you want to demolish the historical place Kozovanta Palace, which was built by Maharaja Birendra Kishan Maniko in the year 1917? So this is the reason, this is the main reason we today on behalf of YTF going to submit a memorandum to BM West